Well, it's finally warm again in Maryland, so I'm going to do another video. This one is actually in response to a couple of YouTubers and some people messaging me saying that they're having some problems getting their Kensun HID bulbs to fit in the housing. So this here is the 9006 slash HB4 bulb. The 9012 bulb is also the same pattern for the tabs on it here. So which is basically 2 large tabs and then a small tab. So this is actually the way that it's going to sort of fit into the headlight housing, at least on the driver's side. It's easier for me to show you on this side. So now when I go to put my bulbs in, I never really think about it, so I never had a problem. But I've always put it in this way and then rotate it, meaning that I'm putting in this large tab first, and then rotating it, and then getting basically the small tab and then the other large tab in place. So that's actually what the trick is. So when you go to install it, start with the large tab here first, then give it a slight rotation, and then basically the other small tab and the large tab on this side will pop right into the housing. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that right now. Hopefully there'll be enough light here. So, all right, so here is the housing. You can see there's the one tab here. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in, and I'm going to line up the large tab with the slot here, and now I'm going to give it a slight turn. And of course, now it's not doing it for me. Oh, no, actually, no, it isn't. Oh, all right, so I didn't think it was in, but no, actually, yeah, it was that easy. So once I got that first tab in and just gave it a slight turn, the other 2 tabs popped right in, and as you can see, it's in there nice and secure. So that is the trick. So if you're having some problems getting your Kensun bulbs to fit in the housing, I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching.